Good day. In this question, we will be solving this using the titration. So titration, we have the formula of NaOH plus HCl will form NaCl and water. So this is already balanced. So for letter A, we are asked to solve for moles of NaOH used. So mole of NaOH is equals to, from the molarity and the given volume, we have molarity times the volume in liters of solution. Substituting, we have molarity here is 0.09564 mole per liter times the volume is in ml, which is 13.34 ml.